Okay, this word problem, you should have finished most of it in class. You should have graphed it and found that the intersection is 160, I believe 16 and 160. Should have got the coordinate where the solution is where the graph meet. So the graph should have met at 16 and 160. You should say the solution to the graph. The solution is the break-even point. Bryce, can you lower the volume because I'm recording? To the graph is 16 and 160. Interpret your solution in context of the problem. That means explain what it means. So 16 is 16 tickets. Okay, and this is the dollar. So what it means is where the two lines meet is that at $16, the cost and the profit, cost and income equal to each other, so you make zero profit. Cost and income, at 16, I should say at 16 tickets or people showing up, cost and income of is the same which is $160. Therefore, you made zero profit. Therefore, $0 was made. Just break even. Check to see your solution is correct. Okay, so you got your first equation was 180 and 5x equals to y, or 80. And the other one was 10. Okay, so the ticket, your solution is 16 and 60. So 160, I mean. This is your x and this is your y. Substitute in your x. That's 16 times 5, which is 80. 80 plus 80. I'll write this over here. 80 plus 80 is 160, and that equals to the 160 that we substitute in for y. So my answer 16 is correct. Same thing here, 16 here. Use the same number. 10 times 16 equals to, should be 160 if you substitute in y. 160 equals to 160. So it works for both equations, so you know your answer is correct. Okay, now the back. This you should know how to do. It's like last night's homework. It will most likely be on your test. Alana's saving money to buy her friend's Christmas present. Alana is able to save $40 for the first 2 weeks. So $2 and $40. It's annotating. In 5 weeks, Alana was able to save $70. 75 weeks. Jason is also saving money to buy a present for his friends. Jason saves already $60 and decides to save $5 for a week. Write a linear equation for Jason's savings, okay? Jason's saving is he's already have $60 in the bank, and he's going to pay more towards the pot, $5 per week. Okay, now this, find the rate of change of Alana, how much Alana can save. So the rate of change is $240 and $570. And then you find the rate of change, point slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, substitute 70 minus 40 over 5 minus 2, 30 over 3, m equals 10. Y minus y1 equals to put m parentheses x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 2 m 10 parentheses x minus x1. Oh no, y1, not x. Should have been 40 minus 2. Distribute y plus 40, 10x minus 20 minus, well, this is wrong. It should have been minus 40 and then add 40. Y equals to 10x plus 20. Graph it. Okay, remember in class today, if you how to graph this, you got two equations. You got this one, the slope of 10 over 1, and that one, the slope of 5 over 1. Remember, the slope is a change in y. Y is on top, y2 minus y1, and x on the bottom. So we're counting by the largest y here. The largest y is 10. So for y, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 30, 140, 150, 160. I'm tired, you guys. So you graph at 60, you go up 5 over 1. Oh gosh, is this 80? Yeah, that's 80. So up 5, this is 70. If you go up here, it's up 10, so up 5 is halfway in between. It's up 5 over 1 right here, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1. Halfway is 5 because a whole is 10. Up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1. Up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1. Keep going 5 over 1. Goes your line. And another one is graphing this one here. Your y-intercept is at 20. That's up 10. So up 10 is one whole thing over 1. Up 10 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Anyways, 10, I'm better with even number. Okay. Here's our solution. Aha. That's the solution there. That's 8 and 100. The intersection, what is the solution of the graph to the left? The solution is 8 and 100. What does it mean? Oh, what does it mean? You need to label the graph. Okay. First, the blue graph is Alana. The other one is Jason. Okay, which means that, oh, look, we don't know what 8 means because we didn't label it. 8 is 8 weeks, I bet. Yes, these are numbers of weeks. And it's dollar. It's the money. Okay, so that means in 8 weeks, both Alana and, who did I put? And Jason had the same amount of money in the bank of $100, which means that by the 8th week, the other person by the 8th, the solution is this, which means that by, oh my god, I'm so tired, by the 8th week, they both have $100 in savings, okay? Who gets 150 first? Let's look. Alana gets 150 first. And that's it. Make sure you know who gets 150 first and support your answer. And it says on the graph, I look for 150, or you can do the math, whichever way.